Welcome to this ownership review on EVs. So we're gonna look into this today's video. How much is it actually costing to run two EVs for a whole year, including service, maintenance, energy used, consumed, public charging, home charging, everything. I'm going to reveal all the costs now. Stick around. Welcome back to a new video. Let's get into it. So now let's first go into what the Leaf said at the annual roadworthiness inspection that it needs to have. So I'm sharing now the screen. It's 4 tires that needed to be changed, ball joints and anti-roll linkage that is part of the suspension arm. So those needed to be changed. So for the Leaf we had 4 tires replaced at 276 pounds. The suspension work was 60 pounds. The MOT and climate control recharge was 88 pounds. The total energy used for the Nissan Leaf for a whole year was 234 pounds. Why is it so low? This car is 99.9% charged at home at a low rate. The wipers, which were not an advisory, but they were quite sluggish to go on the passenger side, was 8 pounds. And because the car is quite old, I changed the gearbox fluid for 19 pounds. So the whole cost for this vehicle for a year was 685 pounds. This one actually is a lot lower, but stick around because I'll show you how this one is even lower. Now let's move to the Ioniq. So looking at last year's advisory on the roadworthiness, it was just the wipers being as an advisory, changed them for 19 pounds. The service at the dealership was 72 pounds, which is basically just a check over. The roadworthiness MOT test was 55 pounds. There we are at Hyundai Pro SG patch. Thank you very much for the service. So we just got their car serviced and MOT'd. And for people who want to know how much does it cost, I'll show you just now. There we are. The service, including the MOT for the last years, it was 127 pounds altogether. So MOT the roadworthiness test in the UK and service MOT together 127 pounds. So that much is costed me to do the service on this Hyundai Ioniq 38 for 1 year. Not too shabby, is it? The total energy used, this accounts for public charging and at home charging, was 746 pounds. And we have the advisories from this year, the front tires to be done. So 2 brand new Michelins on the front is 280 pounds. They give us a grand total to run the Hyundai Ioniq for 1 year. It's 1,172 pounds. Alright, so now we know how much did it cost to drive those two vehicles for that many miles in very easy relative comfort, no hassle, nothing really broken. Actually, the Ioniq, I think, it starts acting on its battery, so that needs to be monitored, but I'll do an update if that is the case. Alright, so we have 1 and 2 electric cars that need a service, so I'm all by myself. This will be a bit of a challenge, but we're gonna run the third electric vehicle of the day, that one. And I mentioned that this cost is actually a lot lower. So amount of credit we got back for the last year was 240 pounds. So we can divide that by 2 cars because why not? And we get knocked off both cars 120 pounds each. So how much is that cost now altogether? That grand total is 1,617 pounds. That includes all the money I had to spend to run these two EVs for this amount of miles. I don't think it's still bad. I don't think you can run even one car on that sort of cost, being a petrol or diesel. So yeah, thanks very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this one. So yeah, there we are. I don't think you can get any better with any petrol, diesel, whatever other sort of combustion engine. So yeah, this is how much it costs you to run two EVs for a full year. Thank you very much for watching. Catch you on the next one.